Randi Zuckerberg, the sister of Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg, is the latest person to come forward, sharing her story about falling victim to lewd acts and sexual comments. Randi says it happened on an Alaska Airlines flight from Los Angeles to Mazatlan, Mexico. She posted a message and shared a letter she wrote to the carrier on Twitter, and it says, quote, "Feeling disgusted and degraded after an Alaska air flight where the passenger next to me made repeated lewd sexual remarks. The flight attendants told me he was a frequent flyer, brushed off his behavior, and kept giving him drinks. I guess his money means more than our safety." Alaska Airlines has responded to Randi Zuckerberg, and take a look. Here's their tweet saying, in part, the allegations are, quote, very disturbing. The carrier says it is investigating and has revoked the passengers' travel privileges.